Hi, I'm Chris, and this is how you properly hang an Insinkerator garbage disposal. I like to shove my boot under the disposal to help with the weight. Then I'll use my hands to just start the lock ring onto the mounting assembly, but make sure all three sides actually are hanging on the mounting assembly. Once you've got that going, you'll take your disposal wrench that comes with the disposal, slide that through one of the loops on the lock ring, and get that as tight as possible. On a stainless sink, you're going to want to finish up with a pair of channel locks. Make sure you fill that lock in, and you're done. And this is exactly what the end product should look like. That little loop should be resting up against that little bevel that has the bolt coming out of it. And if it's not, then the disposal is not properly hung, and it will vibrate loose and leak and possibly fall off. This is most important on a stainless steel sink.
Drain being a pain, the brown won't go down. Time to deploy Uncle Elroy. He's got the longest snake around. Need to clear your pipes without any gripes. Oh, Uncle Elroy's the guy for the job. He's getting shit done without being a slob. So give the man a like and go and hit subscribe. It's gonna save you money, save you time. He'll teach you how to plumb and won't charge a dime.